I've just added the rotating background, the water flowing, but we can see uh, I have transparent colors being used in the background, which is showing the water through. I don't want that, so I'm going to start with this first one that I want to change. I'm going to say edit, replace color, and then I've got to manually scroll through these, finding all the ones that are going to have black that I want to exchange with a different color of black. A lot of these tiles are going to be removed, like this one here isn't a valid picture. That one has a sprite in it. Here's the bottom part of the sprite. So basically, those I want to remove eventually. But for now, I'm just going to mark all the backgrounds that have black that I want to change. Okay, that's all of them. I'm going to select the black. Actually, I'm going to put this to 5, 5, oh shit, 5, 5, scroll this off. Okay, now I gotta actually redraw it. And here we can see it's basically fixed, but I have these, this is in the, these need deleted because water is now, when there's nothing drawn, it now draws water. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to go back to the water just because it's so pretty. Alright.